After multiple drops below the price of $4,000, Ethereum is back to soaring above $4,700 at the time of this video. More so, the crypto is leading the market heading into the monthly candle close. As a result, the token ETH is soaring greatly and has experienced an advance of more than 500% during 2021. To add on, the crypto world is already buzzing around the hype of the new record high since its fall in October. Thus, some Ethereum supporters believe the cryptocurrency could be on its way to $5,000 by the end of this year. Ethereum's latest new all-time high hits when price went over $4,850 on November 10. In detail, the move is driven in part by growth prospects of the blockchain platform from a shaper focus on the metaverse. Specifically, Facebook, now named Meta, ramped up its commitment to expand in the online 3D space. More so, institutional investors pushed $23 million into Ethereum products last week, also launching the 50th consecutive week of inflows. On the other hand, Bitcoin is mostly consolidating. Should ETH enjoy a strong monthly close, it could fit Bitcoin up with the heading into December. Bitcoin and Ethereum had both been at or near their all-time highs before this recent decline, with Bitcoin setting a new all-time high of over $68,000 in November as well. Ethereum blockchain is home to applications such as non-fungible token, NFTs, and decentralized finances, DeFi. It's also an open source blockchain, meaning developers can create new applications on Ethereum's network.